Number 15, Twerking Chicken.
Hello everybody, we have recently come back from Black Friday shopping and we will now be doing an unboxing of our Pokemon card related items. For me, I got a Paldea Rift Elite Trainer box.
And I got a Charizard EX.
Let's start the unboxing.
Right here. Yep, yeah. You know.
Yeah.
You know.
Man's went savage. Alright.
Alright. What is this?
We got the collector's booklet.
And what is this?
What the?
It's weird. Oh, it's a card.
Huh?
It's a card.
I have no clue what Jaden has. Okay, here are your sleeves. Oh wait, no, that's like a little display.
Oh, wait, where's the Charizard? Let me put my sleeve
Alright,
on.
yeah, first that's Jaden's Charizard into a sleeve.
Look at the frame. It's cool.
What is it?
It's just,
Oh, it's a Charizard. Alright.
please don't.
Yeah, you do it. And
Nice.
I am not gonna do what Purple Cliff did and immediately drop his Elite Trainer box. Boom. Markers. Dice.
Code, you guys can scan. You want it?
I want the code. And now
I can't put
we got our Delibird.
I can't put it in. Is it supposed to be? Oh.
Energy. But okay. Our main the packs. We will put this here
I'm removing the sleeve.
and the sleeves.
Alright.
Mine.
Ooh. I removed the sleeve. Joshua. Okay. Go backwards.
Yeah, it's backwards.
Oh, so wait. And I have this.
I don't know what that is, but let's check it out first before we start.
Oh.
Oh, it's a little stand. It's a little stand.
Whoa.
That's cool.
We're gonna put it right there.
Yo. I know it's supposed to be like a little bit slanted. That. We have our little Charizard up there.
Oh, should I just?
Some dividers. I do keep some of my cards like in these boxes, so that will be helpful. What are you doing?
Nothing. Perfect.
That's cool. That is my Delibird. Give my Delibird back. He is Pog.
And of course, oh.
Bro, look,
Ooh.
he's just vibing. He's just walking. He's just.
I got Scarlet and Violet, Paldea Involved, and Obsidian Flames.
Alright.
Wait, do you want to trade some?
Alright.
Want to trade?
What? I want one Paldea Evolved.
Oh.
Yeah, you can have that.
Wait, one more. You want Scarlet?
Sure. You can have another orange pack.
No, I want this.
Sure.
Fine.
Alright.
Okay.
We now have our packs.
I'm doing Scarlet and Violet.
Okay. I will. First, no. Let's pick which one is. Okay. I'll open up number 3 last. Which one do you choose last? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I feel lucky for this.
I have 9 packs. Which out of the 9 packs do you want me to open last?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Miraidon, the Scarlet Violet Miraidon is last. Put it over to the side. Number 3.
Obsidian Strange. Oh no, a Paldea and Volt. I'll just put it right there. Alright, Joshua, let's just do a face off.
Alright. This will be our final. This will be our last packs that we will open.
And let's open. I'm gonna do old to new. Old to new. Oh, it's been so long when we.
Yeah, it's been a long time since we've
Oh.
had packs.
Almost dropped my pack. Where'd I put it?
I don't know. Just drop it somewhere.
What? One? Is it one? I think so. Yep, it's one. It's just one. Oh wait, let's see the chase, the chase cards. Oh my god, look at that hoopa. Look at that hoopa.
Okay, that group was sick. Alright.
These are the floors.
That's cool.
I want the Kudango.
Alright, well,
Let's do that pose. Alright,
basic energy. Wake Coco.
okay.
Bone Edge. Like something
Flabébé,
shining in the back.
Flabébé,
Dwebble.
Growlithe, Staravia,
Horsey,
Volt,
Zebstrika.
Kilowattrel,
Crocodile.
Crocodile,
Ambipom.
Hot.
Oh,
I got a Meowscarada.
Ambipom.
Meowscarada.
Vanillish. Liepard.
Oh my
Mousehold EX.
Mousehold!
Mousehold EX. This was on my team before
I got the trash card, bro. You know what? I don't care about the PSA.
Bro, why did you throw that?
I don't get it.
Nom 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 in scissors. In the sleeve you go.
And
There's the Mousehold.
break time. Who's that Pokemon? 3. Guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hint, it's a fire starter. 3, 2, 1. Break go. Best starter, by the way.
Sure.
Alright.
And now another Paldea Rift.
I'll do Obsidian. Tadbulb.
One to the front.
Dark Energy. Tadbulb.
Ferroseed.
Numo.
Gibble.
Mawile.
Pompour.
Tandemax.
Blitzel.
Diggersby.
Gliscor.
Camera.
Absol.
Rockruff.
Simisage. Flittle. Yeah, Flittle. Counter Catcher. Golisopod. Oh, shoot! Oh my gosh!
This is golden. Okay.
Sleeve that.
I'm saving that. That's cool. Oh, that's this. This is gonna be. Oh. Why any? This match is good, man.
Alright, we will put our
Hits.
We will put our hits up at front.
Alright, I'm gonna do a paradox.
Just a pile there. Paradox.
You know what? I'm feeling lucky for the paradox. You know, yeah.
That's obsidian.
Yeah, I know. I said I'm feeling lucky for the paradox.
What's that?
Alright,
Fighting energy.
dark energy.
Vanilla.
Sweet,
Oracle.
Dynamite,
Swablu.
Lavesta, Rowlet,
Pansear.
Darmanitan,
Cyclozar.
Dartrix, Excadrill,
Toadscroll. Necly. Toadscroll. No kicks.
got 2 Togekiss in the same pack.
That's unlucky.
So lucky.
Paldea evolved.
Paradox Rift.
Water.
Electric. Nickit.
Rod.
Flygon.
Thing.
Flipbug.
This.
Coco.
this.
Slitherwing! Hey, yo, that's
Oh, that's
that's
cool.
a cool one.
You.
You.
Vigoroth. Oricorio.
Tapu Coco! Let's go, baby!
What? We're not doing so lucky, chat.
Alright. Oh, 7's in the chat.
07. 07 for our doubles.
Please, lucky card. I'm rubbing for luck. I want to take a little peek. Oh.
Grass energy.
Water energy.
Zubat. Natu.
Celtic, Loudred,
Thing.
Snorlax, Doll,
Some hot energy.
Good.
Steenie.
Oh!
Yeah, that's Steenie.
It's a hollow. So that means I got nothing.
Pansear.
Should I just-
Dioxys.
Yeah. Should I just leave it? No, I don't think so.
More Pekka.
This is my final pack. Please.
No, you have?
That's my last one. Can I have one more?
No.
Can I take this?
No. They're mine. This.
Alright, last pack. You gotta bring it home. You know, I'll wait for you for the last pack.
Flamingo! This thing! I don't know what it is.
You know, I'm doing it. Basic, Dark Energy, Shroodle, Limit, Bramblin, Titan, Corviknight, the Dunsparce, Super Rod.
Man's got Tinglu.
Tinglu, let's go, baby. Oh, I got 2.
Grass. Loudred. Remoraid. Pumpkaboo. Zubat. Beluza. TM. Crocolore. Mainfu.
No!
U2EX! U2EX! Let's go!
What? I have nothing to say. I'm taking my packs and going home, though. I'm gonna end home, but okay.
Yeah, he's going home, even though he's already home. Sleeved up. Boom! 2 hits so far? Well, I already gave my my Paradox Rift to Jaden, so. Yes.
Can I open your Scarlet and Violet
No.
for you?
No.
Oh.
It's hard to open
My
this
last
thing.
pack was a Weavile. Well, I use it for
You
my
got
team.
You got Tinglu.
Whoa. You got God or not one. You got like a quarter of a god, and I'm still.
No,
I lost it.
you did not lose it. Give me back.
Oh,
Bro.
that lost a bit.
One to the front. Just move this all to the side. I already did one.
I like this a lot. I really like the tongue.
Basic Eye, Bounsweet, Phoebus, Apom, Galvantula, Norman, Orthworm, Toadstool, Seadra, that is
This is something
Vanillite,
good.
Aegislash, just Aegislash.
The last pack for this one. I'm gonna shake it. Hold on. At least I got a Tapu Koko. That's and tingling.
Now,
Yeah. Oh, isn't it a rock? Why do they put fighting for rock?
I don't know.
What kind of rock?
That could have been bad. Electric, Poniard, Crushing Hammer, Starly, Little Florges, Reedon,
Oh, I see something good. I see something good.
Medicham,
Wait.
Riverroom,
Right. Hey, at least you have God in you. Or whatever.
Professor's Research.
Alright.
Alright, well, I'm gonna sleeve up Iron Bundle, even though it's in a little packaging. Not even be possible? It is possible.
Oh my God. Are there any like secret cards? Why is it like this?
Let's give a close-up for our
Pulls.
hits, or 2 hits.
My first pull was Basic Energy, shiny.
Of course, we got the
I think this was
promo, our Iron Bundle,
and my second
mouse hold.
Tapu Koko.
That looks pretty cool.
And then
And finally,
finally, Tingling.
U2 EX.
Oh, Tingling.
U2.
Tingling.
U2. Okay, whatever.
I want to do this puzzle.
We will now be doing a small little. We will now do a cleanup to end the final video. Go up there for the editing magic. Crouch down now. Clap in 3, 2, 1. And with the power of editing, we have cleaned up. That's basically all that we have for you today. Thank you so much for sticking around. And I hope that you all had a fantastic day.